Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself letting go of any tension. Picture your thoughts like leaves on a gentle stream, simply floating by without holding on to any of them. Now tune into your body, noticing the weight of your presence in this space. Feel your feet on the ground, your hands relaxed, and your shoulders softening. Remind yourself that in this moment, there's nowhere else you need to be. With each breath, allow any remaining worry or stress to fade into the background. Imagine pressing a reset button in your mind, creating space and clarity. You're letting go of your thoughts that have been swirling like papers scattered around are now nearly tucked away, leaving your mind clear and open. Feel this newfound stillness, as if the air around you is filled with calm. Remind yourself that you are here, present, and grounded. Aware of the strength within you. Now let go of the past. Release any worries about the future and come fully in the now. This is your time to reset, to be free from expectations or pressure. Breathe in clarity. Breathe out any lingering tension. And as you take these last few breaths, embrace this peaceful energy. Know that any time you can come back to this feeling. You hold the power to reset, to release, and to renew. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this calm with you. You've given yourself the gift of a clear mind, ready to take on whatever comes next.